crew, today's video will be honey chipotle wings. We have chicken wings here, salt, my personal seasoning, black pepper, honey, and chipotle sauce, and also margarine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all, that way you'll be notified when Cooking with Pops upload a video. Let's get into this video. Okay, let's season up our wings. First, I started out with salt, and don't forget, this will be honey chipotle chicken wings. Then I went in with some ground black pepper, and also I seasoned both sides of our chicken. Then I mixed it, but I kind of edit the video down, that way it don't take forever. Then here I'm using my personal season. And when I use my personal seasoning, I normally lay it on whatever meat I'm using because it contains no salt at all. And here I'm just mixing up the chicken real well because I seasoned both sides once again. Let's get this famous close-up. Look at that, it's seasoned really well. And after that, I went on and seasoned my flour. I used salt, black pepper, and my personal season. And once I got all those seasoned in the flour, I mixed it really well. Then I started adding the chicken to the flour, and I floured the chicken really well. Then I shook off the excess flour before I put it in the fryer. Okay crew, so I had to deep fry it at 350 degrees, and you want to fry your chicken flats and drumettes for 8 to 10 minutes or until they come out golden brown and crispy.
Wherever we go, I'm on cloud 9, so high, yeah.
Let's check out these wings, crew. Look at them. Woo! Golden brown and delicious. It never fails. Okay, so that's y'all close-up of the chicken, and we're about to get into this sauce. So I added 2 tablespoons of margarine. Then I added some chipotle sauce, and right after that I added some honey, and I allowed the margarine to melt. Then I stirred everything together. I'm not gonna bore y'all to death while I'm stirring this sauce. So we about to get directly into the sauce, and here we go. And you know I gotta give y'all that famous close-up. So check out the sauce. That is our honey chipotle sauce for our honey chipotle chicken wings. And here I am dropping the chicken wings into the sauce. We about to get them wings saucy, nice, wet, and juicy. And y'all can see here, man, when I tell y'all, them wings was off the charts. The family enjoyed them. I made some that Friday, and I had to turn around and make some that Saturday. Look at that. Woo! I hope y'all enjoyed my take on honey chipotle wings. Here's a close-up. And if you're new to the channel seeing this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and set post notifications to all. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.